Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl with adaptive cruise control, active lane management system, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross-path detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 21,000 miles on the odometer, 10.1-inch touchscreen, navigation, select terrain system, heated second row seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 10633A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.